Yeah, hello guys, I'm Sunil. So today we'll see how checked exceptions work. Okay. What are the ways to handle the checked exceptions, right? Manohar, are you there in the call?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me how many ways to handle checked exceptions?
Uh, Three ways. Where we can directly handle in the where the exception occurs, or else if it's in the different method, means we need to delegate that in that method, and we need to handle that in the main method.
Yes. Correct.
Either of it,
No, see,
we
we can
put one
you
and
be
the
more
next method we can
on
delegate.
a high level. You tell. Okay, just let me tell. So checked exceptions. So you can handle in two ways. Two ways. One is by using try catch block. The second one is using throws keyword. Am I correct? Guys, again I'm telling this is not throw, okay? Throw and throws keywords are totally different, okay? Okay. Yeah, so just let me give you a quick recap of that and we'll move to the next topic, okay? In exception handling, right? Okay. Uh, Project name, check exceptions, okay? Right, main class, am I correct? And let me include the method public static void main, okay? So here, file reader, new file reader, yeah, file reader. Guys, this one, no, don't think much. Let me explain this in the IO chapter, okay? Neha, are you there? So let me create some file, okay, in checked exceptions, okay? Properties. Neha, are you there, Neha?
Yes, sir.
Have you revised by any chance? No.
Yes, sir. Some of the starting.
Okay, okay, fine, thank you. Okay. See, guys, so wherever my main class is there, I'm creating my text file over there only, okay? Right, abc.text, okay? So as they were, as both are in the same package, I don't know. There is no need to mention, okay? Mention, a path, okay? Yeah. Buffered reader br equal to new buffered reader, okay? Okay. See guys, here you are handling with the file not found exception. Okay. You are throwing the file not found exception. Am I correct?
Yes.
See, if your file is missing, then obviously, as you are not handling, definitely it will go to the DEH. Okay. See what I'm trying to say. See, till your file is there, everything will work fine, guys. Okay. See, if your file is there, okay. If your file is there, everything will work as expected. Harika, is that fine? Everything will work act as expected. Will work as expected. Okay. But if your file is deleted, okay, then you need to handle, okay, because here you are directly calling in the main method, right? If you're just delegating means it will go to the default exception handler. Am I correct? Okay. If you are delegating this exception, as I told in the beginning of the class, it will go to the default exception handler, right? So make sure it doesn't go over there. Okay. So by if you want to go with that, please mute it your own, guys. I'm getting some resound. Okay. So what I'm trying to say, if your file is not there, your catch block will be executed. If you are not handling with the try catch, then if you're using throws keyword, that will hand out to the default exception handler. Okay. Am I correct? And it will print error message and it's an abnormal termination. Okay. Am I correct? Okay. Guys, is that clear? Manohar, is that clear? I think last two classes we have seen this same thing, right? See, your file is there, your catch block it doesn't kill, your file is there, your catch block doesn't execute. Okay.
Sunil,
Yeah. Tell me.
throws రాసావు కదా సో throws
Yeah.
రాసినప్పుడు
Yeah, it is.
try catch.
Yeah, you're not allowed, and it is not an error actually. You can, no problem. You can remove that. It's by mistake, but again, it's not a comparison error, by the way.
Okay.
See now the clear concept is if your file is missing, then it will go to the catch block. Okay, and it is in normal termination only. It won't go abnormal. Am I correct? Here in this case, am I correct?
Yes.
System dot out dot println. Okay, it is check triple one. Okay. System dot out dot check two. Okay, guys, what is the output now? See, file is there. Okay, now tell me, guys, what is my output here?
First it will print check 111.
Mhm.
After that, it will go to try block, and after that it will implement check 222.
That's it. Okay, let me run the code. Okay, guys, is that clear? Neha, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, see, I am in catch block. Okay, let me give the clear path. Okay, it is not detecting the path, I feel. Guys, if you feel problematic, then give the total path. Okay. Okay, guys, is that fine? Run. Because my assumption file is your file is there and you are not expected to print. Okay, that catch block. Am I correct? See here. It's clear, right, guys? See, check 1 and check 222. Okay, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So is it a normal termination or abnormal termination, guys?
It's a normal termination.
Correct.
So we handled right here.
It's a normal termination, okay? And your catch block doesn't execute because your file is there, okay? Now let me move to the some other method, okay? Okay, what is that method? Something like void file check. Check. Let me shift the same code over here, okay? And you should call this method, right, guys, Sanjana? File check. Right, yeah. Yeah, it should be static, okay, by the way. Either one point, okay. Now you guys tell me, what will be my answer, guys, here? Huh? Guys, what will be my answer here? Harika, you tell me. Harika, are you there? Manohar?
Yes, Sunil. Hello.
Tell me, what is the output?
First it will print the check 111.
Okay.
After that, it will go to the try block. If the file is there, then it's okay. If the file is not there, means it will go to the cache block and it will print the cache block.
Correct.
After that, it will print check 222.
Okay. That's it, right? Okay. See, that's it, okay? Okay, now my question to you guys, and again, it's a normal termination, right? In this case, also normal termination, okay? It's normal termination again, okay? Here, you are handling with the, you are handling try catch in the handling try catch in the called method, okay? Called method means the child method, okay? Called method, okay? In the case one, you are handling try catch in the calling method. Am I correct? Guys, is that clear, Harika?
Yes.
Okay. See, in both cases, it's a normal termination because I mean you either in a calling method or or in the child method. Okay, you are handling with try catch. Let us assume. Now here you are not handling try catch. Okay, and here you're just delegating. Okay. Yeah, guys. Now tell me. Here I am just delegating the exception. Okay. Here. Okay. Now here I am handling with try catch. Okay, now you guys tell me, what is the output and is it normal termination or abnormal termination? Hmm?
Normal termination only.
Normal termination only, right? And will the catch block here, it will execute or not?
The file is there, it will not execute. If the file is not there, it will execute.
Correct. So let us run the code. Okay.
Sunil,
Ah,
Sunil,
చెప్పండి.
ఇప్పుడు ఒక ట్రై కి మల్టిపుల్ క్యాచెస్ ఉండొచ్చు, బట్ ఓన్లీ మనకి రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆ పర్టికులర్ ట్రైకి ఏదైతే సెట్ అవుతుందో ఆ క్యాచ్ బ్లాక్ మాత్రమే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది.
Correct. Yes. One try can have multiple catch blocks, but whatever the type of exception is being raised by JVM, that specific catch block will be executed. Okay.
ఓకే.
Okay, na? See guys, these are all the cases which we are seeing when the file is there. Okay. See, correct. Let us assume if my file is not there and you are handling try catch here. Guys, am I making sense? If the file is not there and you are handling try catch here, okay. So let me delete this file, okay. Okay, right. So what I'm trying to say, see guys, now tell me, see guys, file is not there now. Okay, now what will be my output?
Will print check 111.
Okay.
After that it will print I will catch block. After that
Check 222.
222.
And is it normal termination or abnormal termination?
Normal termination.
Normal termination. Even though the file is not there, but you are handling in try catch. That's why it's a normal termination only. Okay, let me run the code. See, I am in catch block is coming because the file is getting deleted. Okay, right? Now let us assume. Okay, now I am delegating in the both the methods and file is not there. Now what will happen, guys? Guys, now what will happen? My file is not there, and you are delegating. What will be my output here? Guys, Harika? This is the last case of check exception.
It will print 111.
Okay.
And then it checks for the file.
Okay.
So if it's not there, then it will print file not found with exception, and it will terminate abnormally.
Correct. Okay. So let us see. So you're saying check 222 won't execute. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's run the code and see. So it's an abnormal termination, guys. Okay, see, right? And see, this is, guys, can someone tell me who is printing this error message? Anyone? I'm telling multiple times the same.
Stack trace.
Stack trace. You call this as a stack trace, but who is calling this?
Default exception.
Uh-huh.
Default exception.
Yes.
Default
Exception handler. Okay. Okay. And this is the case which I want to document clearly. This is very important case. Okay. If your file is not there, if your file is not there, and you are printing, sorry, file is not there, and you are delegating in both the methods. Delegating in the sense throwing with the throws keyword. Okay. Delegating. In both the methods. Right. Okay. You're delegating in both the methods. Okay. Then your program will stop abnormally. Stop abnormally. And stack trace will be printed by default exception handler. Am I correct? Guys, this flow is very, very important, guys. Okay. This is why I am stressing this much. Okay. Stack trace will be printed by DEH. DEH will shortcut default exception handler. Okay. So the JVM will hand over this exception to the DEH, default exception handler. Okay. Guys, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Let us assume Now tell me guys, what will be my output now? Guys, here my file is not there and I have a try catch block. Okay. Instead of throws, I have a try catch block. Now tell me, I am using e.print stack trace, what it will print. And yeah, now tell me. Wait. Neha, can you please tell me the output now? Neha. Neha, are you there? Guys, this would be the last question for checked exceptions. Yeah, we'll move to the throw keyword next. And then we have two topics left in exception handling, okay? Harika, can you please tell me now the output?
It will print check 111.
Okay,
And then if the file is not there, it will print the stack trace.
okay. Then check triple T. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Let us see the code. Yeah, seems like you're not following. Okay, please follow. Okay. See, here it is printing stack trace. Okay, and it is. See, guys, don't think whenever the red color error message is coming, it is an abnormal termination. Okay, that's what I want to say. See, sometimes you're printing the stack trace. See, e dot print stack trace. No, this will print. The stack trace in red color only. Don't think it is being printed by default exception handler. You are manually printing. Okay, see, you are manually calling this method. Am I correct? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose sometimes they'll call like this e dot get message. Okay. So instead of total stack trace, it will just print one message. Okay. Let us see that. Okay. Guys, is that clear? See, e dot print, see, on this exception handling, on this file not found exception object, you can call print stack trace, you can call get message, like this. Many methods you can call, okay, not many. Yeah, we have a few methods which we can call, okay. Please keep these points in mind, okay. And why I'm telling means, if you're getting some red color error message means, don't think that is a abnormal termination, okay. Even if you are calling print stack trace explicitly you're calling, then you'll get a red color error message. It doesn't mean it is an abnormal termination. Guys, is that clear? Harika, Manohar, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Don't think it is an abnormal termination. Okay, if you getting error, red color error message, okay, na? Adi. And people, will think the most often. See, here I'm getting message, right? See, if I print e dot get message, it is printing. The system cannot find the file specified. Okay, that's what it is. Okay. Then what point? See guys, what is saying? System cannot find the file specified. Okay, if you want to know what is being happening over there, just print the get the message method. Okay, right guys, is that clear? Guys, this is the in-depth explanation of checked exception, how it works in multiple scenarios by using throw keyword, checked exception with the throw keyword, checked exception with the try catch. What happens if one time you are throwing, one time you are try catch, one time you are handling? What happens both time delegating? Okay, what happens if file is there? What happens if file is not there? Okay, what happens you're printing the stack trace in the catch block, and what happens you're printing the get message in catch block? These many cases they might arise. Guess, okay, you need to be very clear. Okay, and see, don't it's better to go with the this total file path only. Don't give partial path. Okay, that will unnecessarily leads confusion. Okay, yeah. So give this total file path. That will be more clear, right? Am I correct, guys? Is that making sense? Okay. So that's the end of checked exception. Neha, are you following at least something? At least Neha, are you there, Neha? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now we have seen try catch. We have seen throws. Am I correct? Now we'll see throw. Guys, any idea what this throw keyword will do now? Hmm. Guys, any idea what my throw keyword will do now? Manohar, Harika, anyone? At least if you have some rough idea, tell me which onto the
So
చెప్పు.
we can use it in try block, like inside the method we can use it when we want to do an exception.
Yes. See,
Yes.
my question is this 10 by 0 or str equal to null and null dot and str dot length. These also will throw the exception, right? Then what is the difference of throwing by using throw keyword and yeah, you got it right? అంటే దిస్ 10/0 ఆర్ 5 లేకపోయినప్పుడు కానీ లేకపోతే null pointer exception కానీ వచ్చినప్పుడు you'll get the same exception. Then what is the need of throwing this exception explicitly? థ్రోన్ వాడు మళ్ళీ నువ్వు జనరేట్ చేయాల్సిన పని ఏమిటని చెప్పు. హారిక, ఐఎమ్ మేకింగ్ సెన్స్, అర్థమవుతుంది అడిగింది?
Yes.
అంటే యువర్ సేయింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ థ్రో సమ్ ఎక్సెప్షన్. ఓకే, క్లియర్. Even I agree that. Okay, but what is the need? Okay, even we are getting arithmetic exception. Okay, when something is gone wrong, and we are getting null pointer exception whenever my object is pointing null, or you are getting file not found exception when the file is getting deleted. You are getting class not found when your class is getting deleted. Okay, multiple things. Okay, but what is the use of throw keyword then? You tell me. Harka? Manohar? Okay, see, I'll tell you. The throw keyword is used to customize the exception message. That is one use case. Customize the exception message. I'll tell you what does that mean. And second, first point, let me make very clear. Okay, throw keyword is used to raise an exception explicitly. Okay, see, there are some cases, guys, in the program. Okay, so we need to raise the exceptions explicitly. Okay, suppose you are trying to register in some voter site. Okay, Aadhaar card. Sorry, Aadhaar card antanu. Voter card. Okay, you are trying to apply for vote. Okay, so by the election you need to register, right? Am I correct? Suppose you're trying to register, your age is 17 years or 16 years. Okay, then you will get an error message like, sorry, age is below the 18. Ante kada? Sorry, your age is below 18. Manohar, is that clear?
Yes, yes.
See, these kind of error messages, Manohar, please go on mute. These kind of error messages we can generate by using throw keyword. Sorry, throw keyword. Okay, so your throw keyword will raise an exception. Age not found except age, less than 18 exception. And okay, I'll tell you. Okay, how to create your own customized exception, our own exceptions. Okay, our own exception by using throw keyword. Okay, and how to throw normal arithmetic exception, null pointer exceptions by using throw keyword. Okay, so throw keyword is used to customize the exception message, or it is used to throw keyword is used to raise exceptions explicitly. అంటే మనంతరం మనమే you are trying to raise, అంటే so far when something is going wrong, the exception will be raised, right? But now you are wantedly raising the exceptions. Okay, and second thing, you can create custom exceptions. Okay, see, custom exceptions. I just gave you some example, right? The Aadhaar card, sorry, voter card, right? So if your age is less than 18, you'll get some error message. Okay, your age is less than 18. That will be done by throw keyword only, guys. Okay, you might be thinking you can use some if-else statements and you can return some string, right? Sorry, Harika, am I correct? See, I'm saying if your age is less than 18, I'm saying throw age lesser exception, something like that. And why can't we do like by using if-else block? Okay, by using simple if-else block, and you can throw, right? Sorry, you can return string, right? See, I am saying, suppose if age is less than 18, okay, return age is less, something like that. Sorry, your age is less. Okay, else return successfully created. Harika, can you tell me what is the instead of doing over this? Okay, instead of doing like this, what is the need of directly passing through age less exception? You got it right?
Maybe time constraint.
Yeah, Manohar, you just wait. Harika, you tell me. Guys, the response time is very less here. Okay, that's why instead of returning the error message, returning a message like this, okay, people want to throw this exception like this. Guys, is that clear? And I'll tell you how to create this ageless exception. Okay, so far you have seen what is null point exception, what is arithmetic exception, what is final not point exception, but you haven't seen an exception like ageless exception like that. Okay, this is a custom exception. Okay, I'll tell you in the next class. Okay, how to create a custom exceptions. Harika, is it clear at least? Now you will get a very fraction of response time. Okay, and you want to, so this will stop the program abnormally. See, once the age is less than 18, there is no need of going further, right? So you can stop the program abnormally. So that's why, that is second reason again. Okay, har karmot na. Hello,
This is clear.
clear, right? What? No, tomorrow I will tell how to create a custom exceptions, but today I am telling what is the use of throw keyword. Okay, so we can throw custom exception with the throw keyword only. Okay, it is not buffer, throw new. Okay, okay. Okay, now I want to clear one point here. Manohar, is that clear?
Yes, yes.
Thank you, Manohar. Okay, now I'm removing this. Okay, let me. Guys, execute e dot print stack trace, e dot get message, and execute what happens in both the throws keyword. What happens in one time throws and one time try catch, like that. Okay, try to execute all the cases and try to see, what happens in each and every case. Okay, then you will be more clear, guys. Okay, guys, now tell me. Yes. Guys, is there any other way to raise this exception explicitly by using throw keyword? Any idea? Is it possible at least? I want to raise, manually. Any idea, guys? Harika? Guys, see, by using throw keyword, you can raise like this, throw new arithmetic exception. What I want to say, yeah, so yeah. So it is not returning anything, so you are not allowed to keep. Guys, what I want to say is line 12 and line 13 are giving the same meaning. Okay, Harika, is that clear? Line 12, whatever the line 12 is doing, your line 13 also will do the same thing. Okay, so but the only difference is you are raising the exception explicitly. Okay, Harika, any doubts so far?
No.
అర్థమైందా? అదనమాట పాయింట్. ఓకే, సో యు ఆర్ రైజింగ్ ద ఎక్సెప్షన్ ఎక్స్ప్లిసిట్లీ. ఓకే, హియర్ బట్ లైన్ 12 ఇట్ ఈస్ డ్యూ టు ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ మిస్టేక్. అంతేనా? ప్రోగ్రామర్ లాజిక్ మిస్టేక్. అంతేనా? అది. అండ్ ఓకే, నౌ మై క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్, now is this a normal termination or abnormal termination now? What is the output? Okay. Yeah, you are not allowed to keep. Sorry. Okay. Second point, I'll tell you. Yeah, guys. And second thing, after throw keyword, after you once you are raising an expression manually, you are not allowed to write any statement below that. Okay. Is that clear, guys? Because that throw statement itself will make the program abnormal, abnormal termination. Then what is the need of writing a line below it? Okay, so you are not allowed to write anything below the throw keyword. Okay. And this is guys, now tell me, is this a normal termination, abnormal termination now?
Abnormal.
Abnormal termination. Guys, I don't know whether you guys come across this type of situation or not. If you give some any competitive coding exams for some companies, so they will give this exception throw by using throw keyword. Harika, have you ever come across this situation? Harika? Okay, fine. This is an abnormal termination, guys. Okay, Harika, are you there?
Yes. Hello.
Yeah. This is an abnormal. See, this is an abnormal termination, guys. Okay, and below that, you are not allowed to write a single statement also. Okay, it's a compilation error. Okay, na? This is how the throw keyword works. Okay, you can throw all the exceptions, not only arithmetic exception. Okay, guys, I told one more point. By using throw keyword, you can customize the exception message. Okay, so you can say, sorry, in this you can pass some string. Sorry, you are getting arithmetic exception. Okay, now after the arithmetic exception, you can see this line also now. Okay, and it will be more meaningful, right, guys, Antena, Harka, it will be more meaningful, right? See, sorry, you are getting AE in the exception. Okay, so it will be more meaningful. Am I correct, Harika?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Now you can do the same thing with null pointer exception also. Okay, you are getting NPE. Guys, is that clear?
Yes. So only one throw ఉండాలి ఆ particular class లో.
Yes, because below statements will not work. Okay, and you can handle if you want to make this termination as normal termination, use try catch. Okay, again. Okay. So I told no, it will give the same impression like how your programmer making when if the programmer made some logical mistake, what type of exception you'll get the same exception over here also. Okay, so you can handle with the catch block as well. Okay, guys, am I making sense? Whatever the things you can perform, by normal exceptions, you can perform the same thing with the throw keyword also. Okay, guys, now tell me what will be my output here. Manohar, you tell me what will be my output here.
Triple one.
Okay.
After that, it will throw sorry or.
So are you sure it will throw exception or not? Now tell me. It will throw exception or not? Now you tell me.
It will throw.
Then what is the need of having my catch block, Manohar? If it is throwing the exception and if it's going abnormal termination, what is the need of having catch block? I kept the catch block. Suppose earlier in line 14, if you are getting string str equal null, str that length you call, then your catch block will be executed, right? Then you are making abnormal termination to normal termination. The same way it will behave, okay? So it is a normal termination, Manohar, okay? అర్థమైందా దీన్ని క్యాచ్ బ్లాక్ పెట్టింది దానికోసం కదా విల్ నీడ్ టు హ్యాండిల్ కదా
ఓకే గాట్ ఇట్
రైట్
సో ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి ఆ డెవలపింగ్ లో కూడా అక్కడ త్రోలో మనం ఇంక్లూడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చా?
ఎస్ దట్స్ వాట్ ఐమ్ ట్రైయింగ్. అంటే దాన్ని కూడా ట్రై క్యాచ్లు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, అర్థమెటిక్ ఎక్సెప్షన్ కూడా ట్రై క్యాచ్లు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, అర్థమైందా? Now you tell me, this is the twist. File not found exception. See, this is a checked exception, guys. Antena? Now you tell me how many ways to handle this for ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? Guys, now tell me how many ways to handle this. That is the issue. Guys, you tell me how many ways to handle this. Harika, you tell me how many ways to handle this checked exception. Harika, are you there?
So.
Huh?
It can be termination.
ఏంటిది?
It will be an abnormal termination, right?
No, I'm asking how many ways to handle this. So if I finalize the code, you can say,
You
okay,
can add file not found in a catch block.
okay, or what is the other way?
Or you can remove the catch block, then it will be a file.
Yeah, that's fine, but it will give you compilation error, Harika. Okay.
Yeah.
Then how to rectify the compilation error without try catch? Now this is expected, right? It will go to the check to and yeah, right? That's fine because the file is not, you're manually throwing this exception, okay, right? Now my question is, if you are not having
Exception in another method or.
no, I'm saying if you don't have my try catch, it will throw you some compilation error, right? Very clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but without try catch, how to handle that? I think the question. Athamaina?
You can delegate that to some other method.
No, this is main method, no. This is already main method. And this is not any child method. You can use throws keyword. Am I correct? Ante kada. See, you can use throws keyword. Ante kada. What is there? Adi nenu cheppedi. And if you use throws keyword, it's a abnormal generation. Am I correct? Ante kada. If you use throws keyword, it's a abnormal generation. Okay, guys, is that making sense? Manohar, see, however the final found exception is behaving earlier, the same behavior is expected over here. However, the arithmetic exception or unchecked exceptions will behave earlier, the same behavior is expecting with the throw keyword. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Okay, and the very important interview question is, people will ask the difference between throw and throws keyword, and they are not at all related. Okay. Neha, can you tell me what the throw keyword will do in a one line? Neha, you tell me, Neha. Neha, are you there? Harka? In one line, if you want to summarize, what you will say through keyword?
Exceptions.
So if you want to rise explicitly, if you want to rise exceptions explicitly, okay, then go for throw. Am I correct? Suppose if you want, what is the throws keyword? Manohar, you tell me. If you want to summarize.
And delegates.
Yes, it will delegate an exception, guys. This there is no difference in between, but interviewer often asks this question: what is the difference between throw and throws? Okay, please keep this point in mind. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, if someone is asking, okay, it will delegate the exception. Okay, exception to the calling method. Okay, antena calling method means whichever the method is being called. Antega the calling method. That's it, guys. Okay, this is the difference. Okay, if you want to summarize in one line, okay. But I thought of telling this after the both throw and throws concept is over. Okay, so I waited till this point actually. Okay. So and I made you guys very clear how the checked exception will behave in all the cases, and how the throw will behave with checked and unchecked exceptions. Am I correct, guys? Okay, just now. Okay, how the throw keyword will behave like arithmetic, and how the throw keyword will behave like a file not found exception. Okay, I think I have explained the difference clearly. Okay, that's it, guys. And tomorrow we'll see how to create custom exceptions. That's the last class of exception. Okay, see to how to create custom exceptions. Okay, create custom exception. That will be the last class of our exception handling. Okay, and after that we'll go with the, I think, multi-threading will start. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys. Guys, this is very important area of entire Java. Okay, because in the project, if you work in a company, okay, and if you take any project, okay, almost all the files you will see this exception handling. Okay, I think Harika, I think you might be know this you might be, as of now, you might be knowing this importance, right, Harika? అంతే కదా. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఫైల్ యూ ఓపెన్, ఓకే, దే విల్ బి థ్రోయింగ్ సమ్ ఎక్సెప్షన్, దే మైట్ బి హ్యాండ్లింగ్ విత్ థ్రోస్ కీవర్డ్, దే విల్ బి హ్యాండ్లింగ్ విత్ ట్రై క్యాచ్. You need to, and if you are thorough in this basic part, then you can understand on a high level, okay, the project level, okay. Adi, if you dig deeper, you can understand on a project level, okay. That's what I want to say. And Spring Boot, people will create exceptions in Spring Boot. That is a different Spring Boot, okay, that is bit different, okay. But more or less the Spring Boot also, I'll tell you once the time comes. But if anyone is, if you, Harika, if you want to explore, no, we have our video in our channel, okay, exception handling with Spring Boot, okay. Then you just go through that, then you can correlate, okay, this one and that one, okay. Just watch that one after the class or tomorrow, whenever you free, whenever you find a free time, just and watch that, okay. And then, right. And then I'll ping this notes, okay, in the, okay, yeah.